Hi everyone, my name is Rishad. Today is the 25th of February 2024 and I'm going to be going over my prediction for Tesla this week. As usual, we'll go over the monthly, weekly, and finally the daily charts, and then I'll conclude my prediction at the end. Before going into this video, it's important to make a disclaimer that all information here is completely educational and therefore it is important to conduct your own analysis before entering a position in the market. This is to avoid any unnecessary risks which you aren't willing to take, but I am, or the other way around. So just make sure that you do conduct your own analysis, whether that be fundamental, technical, or whatever other type you want before taking the positions. So with that out of the way, let's get into the video. So monthly charts, we can see have been pretty similar throughout, where Tesla has a bit of a rocky price movement. However, it has been going down quite steadily, well, not steadily per se, but it has gone down significantly in the past 6 months. But although February hasn't closed, we can see that Tesla is not really forming a strong directional candle yet. So we don't really have the expectation that comes with the breakout of an M pattern or something close to a double top pattern. That's not the expectation of what was to happen. So this candle is slightly a surprise for the monthly charts, but it doesn't give us too much of an insight anyways. So let's head over to the weekly charts, and while I'm at it, I should open the RSI here, which makes it definitely a lot easier to see. We can see that the RSI has been going down quite steadily, confirming the price action that we're seeing, and we did have a breakout of a double top here as well. However, this last inside bar has still not been broken. So the prediction still stands that the market does need to break this huge mother candle before any position can be taken. Since as of now, the market is really volatile, and we can see this. Since the market went up 2 days, came down like 2 weeks, came down the next week, so there's no real pattern here. And therefore, we can't make a solid prediction. So again, the support and resistance are simply the high and low of this candle at 217.8 and 180.06 respectively. So that's all we can gain from the weekly charts, since we see that the market is currently going down quite strongly, confirmed by the RSI, but we are still in an inside bar. So it's impossible for us to make a directional trade until there is a candle strong enough to break a support or resistance, which is very clearly defined. We can see that there were definitely some tests of the support. However, none of the prices closed at the end of the week, which means that there wasn't enough conviction. And therefore, we still can't take a position yet on Tesla until there is a price break. But to conclude the analysis, we should go over the daily charts here, which when it loads, so we can see the price action in even more detail. We can see that the price has been moving in a channel for the most of 2 or 3 weeks. However, this week again is forming its own separate channel. So if we extend this line here, we can see that it has been pretty iffy. Although there was a break here, it whipsawed pretty quickly. So we're still pretty unaware of where the market is going, and the channel doesn't help us too much, since there was a break here, but then it whipsawed back down. Therefore, we have to, again, wait for a solid signal from the weekly charts, since the daily charts do not provide enough information. Although we can see that the RSI is going up, the average is going up, and the RSI has been going up so far, but the price action is sideways, which is a signal that Tesla should continue to go up in the daily charts. But that's all we can gain from this. And if we add the Bollinger Bands here, we can see another level of detail. Here we can see that there was a break here, and the price did actually end up reverting to the mean. But we can see that the bands are constricting, meaning that we're in a low volatility accumulation or distribution phase. So whichever direction that this market breaks, this price breaks out, and should be where the market goes quite explosively, since a narrowing band typically leads to an expanding Bollinger Band, which is a very, very strong indication of where the market is going. So whichever direction this market breaks in, specifically if it breaks the channel, which has not proved not to be an effective resistance, if it needs to break the Bollinger Band and the inside bar for an even stronger buy or sell signal. But that concludes my technical analysis for Tesla. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching, enjoy, and I will see you next time.